Number 7, I'm trying to simplify the complex rational expression. And my first step is going to be to make these 1's look like 1 over 1. Just because when I'm trying to find the LCD, I think it makes it look a little bit easier. Okay, so my LCD is going to be, well, I need an x plus 1 and I need an x minus 1. So I need to multiply each term by the LCD itself over 1. Okay, so I need to simplify now, and I'm going to cancel these out, and that leaves me with x minus 1 minus x plus 1 times x minus 1 all over x plus 1 plus x plus 1 x minus 1. And I need to simplify this. Now it looks like I can just cancel out these, but I can't because of this subtraction sign here. So because of that subtraction sign, because of this addition sign, I need to really simplify the numerator and simplify the denominator first before I do anything with canceling up and down. So make sure to write a note that you want to simplify the numerator and denominator individually first. So what that means is I want to FOIL those out. So if you FOIL that, that's going to be x squared minus x plus x minus 1. And then if we combine like terms, it'll be x squared minus 1. Okay, so let's rewrite this without parentheses. That changes to a plus 1. And then let's combine like terms. This will be x minus x squared on top and x plus x squared on the bottom. Okay, we still can't cancel out these x squareds because of the minus and the plus. We can't cancel out the x's. So I want to try and factor. So let's try and factor the top, and that's going to be able to factor out an x as a GCF. And the same on the bottom. So now that that is a multiplication that's there, then we can cancel out these x's. And that will leave us with 1 minus x and 1 plus x. And those cannot cancel out. So definitely an intense problem.